Today, we will teach you how to install FALCON all-into solar light in detail. Our solar panel is equipped with plug-play socket. Connect solar lamp to the plug-play socket of solar panels. Match the socket holes accurately. Push the waterproof cap up to the socket. Spin to tighten the waterproof cap. If you do not tighten the waterproof cap, water may flow in, causing the socket oxidized, which may make the solar streetlight system cannot work normally. Now, check whether it can work normally. Cover the solar panel. If the lamp turns on after few seconds, this means it can work normally. After finishing the above process, you can take it to the installation site. Solar streetlights will automatically work according to the set program. The working mode has been set before lights were sent from the factory.